Yes, here they are, the Boho Hippie braids. Yes, they are 22 inches long, and we are using two colors. Yes, we are using the color 1B, and we're also using the color 1B27. Yes, that is to give it some color. We are headed into the summer, ladies. So yes, having some extra color and a highlight in your hair is beautiful. Oh my gosh, ladies, look how beautiful these hippie boho crochet braids came out. They came out absolutely wonderful. Yes, in this video, I'm going to show you, even with thin hair, short hair, damaged hair, thin edges, no edges at all, you can still wear beautiful styles. Look how full this is. Look how no one will ever know that she has any hair loss. I'm going to show you the perfect braid style. I'm going to show you how to securely install these crochet braids, and I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly technique that will work with any hair issues. So let's jump into this video and see how this style was achieved. Boho Hippie crochet braid style. Yes, it is going to be beautiful. This is a style you do not want to miss. So yes, I have already started her braid pattern, and yes, this is a healthy braid pattern for her hair condition. She does have some thinning here at the top and around the sides on her edges. I will show you that in a moment, but yes, I am starting this healthy braid pattern for her hair. This is what I do when my clients come in. I first assess their hair and I decide which is the most healthiest braid pattern for their hair condition as well as for the style that they will be getting. So yes, her hair is very thin, and as I said, she does have some thinning right here at the top, as you can see. And of course, I am moisturizing it with our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, our G&G is made with 100% all natural ingredients. Yes, all the ingredients needed to promote hair growth. Yes, it is packed. When I say packed, I mean packed with every 100% all natural ingredients that you can think of. Black castor oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, almond oil. Yes, I packed it. And this is the same hair growth butter that I used on my own hair to grow my hair back when I had patches, when I had bald spots, and no edges at all. And yes, they came back. So yes, ladies, you can get your hair back. Your hair can grow back. So again, I am doing this braid pattern. I am moisturizing her hair and her scalp as well with our G&G. Yes, ladies, remember, you need to moisturize your hair on a very regular basis. Not only just your hair, but your scalp as well. Try to do those hair and scalp massages. If you purchase our hair growth butter, yes, the link is in the description below. Our prices are very affordable. You can purchase, and along with every purchase, I also include 5 extra tips. These tips are needed to help your hair grow back faster. So yes, when you order your G&G and you receive it, you will also receive the 5 tips that go along with using your hair growth butter that will promote hair growth. Yes. So as you can see on her edges, I did not braid them straight back. Right here, no, I am not braiding those braids straight back because I don't want to put any excessive tension or pulling on her edges. So yes, these braids are going down. I braided them going down because her hair is much stronger at the top than it is on the edges. So I braided those braids coming down and then brought them around to the back. And yes, we are introducing what our new G&G hair growth oil. Yes. We have hair growth oil now, and again as well, it is packed with 100% all natural ingredients, yes, to promote hair growth, because that's what this is all about. Growing our hair and not making sure that we have any additional hair loss. So yes, get your order in now for our G&G hair growth oil. If you tap the link in the description, it will take you to our website, and yes, there we have our hair growth oil. And again, our prices are very affordable. So here I am going to next install some weaving net. Yes, I'm installing the weaving net in the front, on the sides, and definitely at the top where she has that thinning. I am using this net because it is going to help give her the fullness she wants on the sides. Yes, we want to make sure that no areas on the sides, on her edges, are exposed where she has some hair loss there. So we want to make sure that those edges are completely covered, and this net is going to help complete that. So yes, this net is also going to be used to reduce the weight of the crochets. So yes, when I am crocheting, I am going to be crocheting mainly on this net and not on her hair. Yes, I want to make sure that her natural hair has as less weight on it as possible. Again, why? To reduce any pulling and any tension and any extra stress. So as you can see here, I am cutting off the excessive net, but I am going to still leave the net here on the sides. See the arrow? I'm leaving that excess net right there. Why? Because I am going to add some crochet braids there, and that's going to help give the fullness she needs in those areas where she doesn't have any hair. Yes, here they are, the Boho Hippie braids. Yes, they are 22 inches long, and we are using two colors. Yes, we are using the color 1B, and we're also using the color 1B27. Yes, that is to give it some color. We are headed into the summer, ladies. So yes, having some extra color and a highlight in your hair is beautiful. So continue to keep watching as I am now going to start with my patent pending elastic band closure. Yes, this closure is sold only on my site. It is handmade by myself. Yes, no glue is needed. With this closure, you do not have to worry about any slipping, any sliding, and any moving. Yes, it is going to be stationed, and again, it is not sold in stores and is not sold online, only on my website. So yes, get your order in today. Click the link once again in the description below to go to our website and get your order in. Yes, this is amazing. It gives you the fullness and the hair that you need at the front and in the top, on the sides and on the edges for those who have alopecia fibrosis or frontal fibrosis alopecia, and you do not have that hair in the front or on the sides, or you just want to make sure that you give your hair a break. You can have natural hair and natural healthy hair and still use this elastic band closure. Yes, it is beautiful. If you haven't tried it, ladies, try it. You're definitely gonna love it. So yes, I'm getting started with attaching crocheting the boho braids in, and I am starting in the back, and then I'm going to work my way around to the sides and then to the top. So yes, continue to keep watching. Watch to the end, because again, this is a style you do not want to miss. I am going to show you some tips and some tricks as I install these crochet boho hippie braids. Yes, they are absolutely beautiful. Yes, as you can see, she will be able to pull this up into a natural ponytail. Yes, it is 22 inches long, and it is going to come up into a beautiful ponytail. So yes, continue to keep watching, and you will see how I crochet on this closure and how I fill in these sides. Again, thank you so much for all your support. Please continue to watch. Please support my channel by subscribing and tapping that bell. Yes, please tap that bell so that you do not miss any of my videos. I do upload new videos every single week, so tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos. Again, I love doing this baby hair. It makes it look so natural. So continue to keep watching so you can see the outcome of this beautiful gosh, ladies. So one of the benefits of my custom frontal or my custom closure is it gives you edges. Yes, you do not have to worry about your edges being exposed or your edges being damaged at all because you are crocheting on the band. And look how easy it is to just crochet on the closure. It is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Yes, ladies, when I say this is beginner friendly, it is beginner friendly. You can actually DIY, do this yourself. And you just crochet on the closure just as you would do your natural hair. And oh my gosh, this is my client looking at the final results. She is super happy. She is looking at all the different ways that she can wear her hair. Again, she can wear a left side part, a right side part, a middle part. She can wear her hair just pulled to the back if she like. And she is checking out them edges. Yes, she is looking how full it is around her front and her frontal. Although it is very thin, you will never know. Oh my gosh, it came out absolutely beautiful, and yours can too. If you are interested, tap the link in the description below. It will take you to my website and you can get your order in today for your custom closure and your custom frontal. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this is. It came out so gorgeous. It is full. Again, no one will ever know that her hair is thin in the front. This will not slip, it will not slide, it will not shift at all throughout the whole. And give my clients instructions on how to care for their hair, how to manage their hair, what to do with their hair at night. This style is so low maintenance. It's very little that you need to do. Basically, taking off your silk cap in the morning and ready to go. Yes, you are ready to go. I advise my clients also to just use baby oil as a light oil to give their braids a shine. You do not need to spray any kind of other chemicals or products on the hair. Again, you can see here I'm showing her her middle part, her left side part, her right side part, how she can pull it back. And she's just ecstatic and so delighted. And this is why I love what I do, because I love making people happy. I love when my clients are so excited and their confidence is back because they've gotten the style that they've always wanted. And this is why I love what I do. So thanks again for watching. Again, if you're interested in getting your custom closure, your custom frontal, tap the link in the description below. It will take you to our website to get your order in today. Again, please support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up. Please tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos, as I upload new videos every single week. Save this video, share this video with your family and your friends, and remember to stay safe and stay blessed.